Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to see who you follow on Thread app. Why would you want to know how to see who you follow on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Thread and not sure how to see who you follow on Thread app. So today I am going to show you how to see who you follow on Thread app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Seeing who you follow on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will see who you follow on Thread app. First of all, open Thread app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and now in this new screen click on world icon in the left top corner, and then click on profile you follow option. And now here are few accounts that I have followed on Thread. So there you go. If you were wondering how to see who you follow on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.